Hi everyone, so welcome back. Today we have the software called ClockShark, and this is the best time tracking app. Now, before we begin, you can consider heading over to the link in the description, using which you can get extended free trial as exclusive bonuses onto the platform. So you can see we have this timer type of dashboard in here, which is going to be providing, like for example, use the mobile app, and it's going to be providing you this job insertion section. You can add in here jobs, you can add the task. So to add a job, you're going to be entering name, number, and few other details, and eventually the job is going to be added in here. Now once it is added, you can add people for specific jobs as well. So currently it is loading, just wait for a couple of moments. You can see now we have this option of adding an employee. We can add their first name, last name, their time clock, and whether we require location services for that as well. Permissions, we can also grant and manage permissions for that employee as well, whether they can view the jobs, add them or not, customers, codes, and much more. You have your manager settings, and similarly you can add in here jobs as well, like you can add people, and for that you have different type of features as well. Let me just show you that. So you can see you can add employee, job, codes, and much more. So talking about its reviews, people are really happy. Seamless consolidation of multiple tools. ClockShark saves hours of time with the help of staff only a chat away. So make sure to head over to the link in the description to access yourself ClockShark and also get yourself extended free trial and exclusive bonuses. So that is something that you should not miss out. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next video.